Hey there, Mopar Mitch here at Big Rock Dodge. Today we're going to be looking at our 2017 Ram 2500. It's the last one on our lot. Let's go check it out inside. Now that we're inside, clear out price on this awesome Laramie, $68,622, and we also have an off-road package of $13,750. We're calling it Rock Ready Rams. Now that includes color matched fender flares, 4-inch BDS lift kit, 35-inch tires, 20-inch rims, flaps, boards, and a low-profile tonneau cover. Now you guys can own this unit for only $82,372, and you're saving $17,000. Don't miss this clear out event. It's a limited time, one-of-a-kind truck, last on the lot, Rock Ready Ram. For more information, you can call me, Mopar Mitch, at our auto hotline, 780-865-3010. Thanks, see you next time.